Hey guys, this is Mikey, and this is a Rubik's Cube. See, it says Rubik's. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how fast I can do this, alright? It's gonna be fast, it's gonna be like under 30 seconds, alright? Because I'm just that good. Alright, here we go. Start the timer. I'm not gonna start one. I'm not going to put one on the screen. You know, just count, okay? Or look at the timer on the YouTube thing. Clock thing, timer. That, okay. Anyway, you know what to do. As in, alright, here we go, okay? Alright. And start. See? Okay. Look at me go. Watch me go. Alright. Oh, right there. Oh, there we go. Alright. Almost done. And whoops. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoops. Alright, one more. There we go. Did it. See? Rubik's. What'd I tell you? I'm that good. Alright guys. I hope you enjoyed watching a pro do his work. Okay? You wanna know how I did it? I believed. That's all. Take that as a lesson for anything you do in life, alright? Just believe. And you could do things like this. Solve Rubik's Cubes. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna go now. Alright, but remember, keep believing, okay?